Logging trucks are a type of truck that are used to transport logs or cut trees from one place to another. They're often seen driving on highways or back roads near forests or logging sites. These trucks have a very important job. They help move logs from the forest to places where they can be used to make things like paper, furniture, and even homes. A logging truck has a special design that makes it perfect for carrying logs. The truck has a flatbed trailer with stakes or rails on the sides to keep the logs in place. The trailer is also usually equipped with a mechanism for loading and unloading the logs, such as a crane or a hydraulic arm. This makes it easy for the driver to load the logs onto the truck and to unload them at their destination. The logs are usually cut to a specific size before they're loaded onto the truck, so they fit neatly and securely on the trailer. The driver of the truck has to be very careful when loading the logs to make sure they're balanced and won't shift during transport. They also have to be careful when driving, especially around corners or on steep hills, to make sure the logs don't shift or fall off the truck. Logging trucks can be very big and heavy, which means they require a special type of driver's license to operate. The driver of a logging truck has to be very skilled and experienced to handle such a large and powerful vehicle. They also have to follow specific safety regulations to make sure the logs are transported safely and the truck doesn't cause any accidents on the road. In addition to the driver, logging trucks often have a crew of people who work to cut and load the logs onto the truck. These workers use chainsaws and other equipment to cut down the trees and prepare them for transport. They also help the driver load and unload the logs, and make sure everything is secure before the truck hits the road. That's all for today's lesson. Please subscribe if you like this video. Goodbye.